Hi everyone, welcome to 2 on Tuesday birthday cards. I haven't done it for a few weeks, but I wanted to come on and share a couple birthday cards I just made today, Tuesday. I'm not going to set a time anymore for this, but sometime on Tuesday, and it will not be every Tuesday, like maybe every other week or even once a month. I'm not sure, but know that sometimes I'll be posting 2 on Tuesday birthday cards. So and this month it's Stampin' Up! Products, and the first card I made is using this wonderful home and garden bundle, which is in the January to June mini catalog, and it is retiring. The bundle number is 107919 and only available till June 30 or while supplies last. I don't recall seeing this in the no longer available list, but it's possible. And it's great for Father's Day, but I'm using it for birthday card. I also use the Timber 3D embossing folder, and let's see, did I use anything else? Oh yes, I did use the He's the Man Designer Series paper, but I used the back of the car one, which is this one, which I believe is Sahara Sand. So using it for a birthday card, and I kind of there's a card in the catalog which I kind of cased, but I didn't use red, but I did do this kind of similar thing. I even have a little star there because I wanted to use it for a case of card, but I didn't get it done for one of those. But I used Evening Evergreen, Sahara Sand, and Sahara Sand I ran through the Timber embossing folder, and then I took a blending brush and went, that's really bad, isn't it? Went around the edges with soft suede. And that is cut at 5 1/4 by 4, and then this piece is 3 3/4 by 5, I believe. This is soft suede, and that actually, I was thinking, how am I going to get that? It's actually one of the dies, the pole is, and these little things are the hooks, the black cardstock hooks, and I just used a glue dot and put them on the back of this bar. I should have moved that one over a little bit, but oh well. I stamped these in Memento Tuxedo Black, and I colored them in light and dark Evening Evergreen, light and dark Smoky Slate, and then these are colored in light and dark Gray Granite. And then this I used Evening Evergreen and stamped on Sahara Sand, I think, yeah. And I put it on dimensionals, but the problem I had, which is why it looks a little bent, is I accidentally put one too close to this and it's bumping up funny. And I tried to pull it off, but I crinkled up the paper, but oh well. So that says Birthday Wishes, and inside is just a little strip of this paper that I had left, and to the man who can do anything. And that's, I didn't put any gems on there. These I think retired. They're the 21-23, but they were from the last annual. I just feel like I need some little bit of sparkle, and you know, men like sparkle sometimes too. I don't care what anybody says. I don't know. I don't know what to do about that either. I haven't been doing too good on my cards lately. I feel like I need a little one on that. So we're going to put 5 on because I have a lot. I have to use them up. Let's see, we need one up here somewhere, don't we? Maybe over here. No. Maybe right there, I guess. Alright, so that's the first card. I really like this set, and you can, there's also an extra piece for the shovel and the handle, the blades of the things where you can use foil on. There's little grass bits, and also for the hand shovel here, there's one of those. And that is the gloves. That cuts out the gloves. I think I used this once before and used the gloves. So that's the first birthday card. I still need to figure something out to fix that. And then the second one, I used a set I just actually recently got, but this is from the January to June mini. It is the host set, so you would need to have an order of $150 or more, or host a party in order to get it. It's really adorable, so I made sure in my last order here that I got this. And I'm going to use this, and Hi Sweet Friend, and It's Your Birthday. So this retires also June 30th. You won't be able to get it. So if you'd like it, place an order with me of $150 or more, and you can select it as the host item. That's the only way to get it at this time. Mischievous Mice. And I also use the Scalp Contours dies. I used this one and this little one here. And I used this circle here, though not the smallest one, but the second smallest circle. Those are from the Beautiful Shapes dies. They coordinate with the Hello Beautiful set. And I used the brand new Parakeet Party and Tahitian Tide, what are these called? In Color Matte Decorative Dots. So that was the first time I used them. They're brand new. And this is my card. I put it on Tahitian Tide cardstock. A piece of basic white in the background, which I did not add texture to, and that is 5 1/4 by 4. So this is 3 3/4 by 5 again. Then I stamped the little mouse actually on a scrap of white, and it worked out beautifully because the contour shaped scalp contour dies fit perfectly with the little mouse there. And I colored the balloon in light and dark Parakeet Party, and the mouse in dark petal pink and light and dark smoky slate. And it's a little glary, huh? I stamped Hi Sweet Friend in Tahitian Tide, and then I die cut just in plain cardstock of the Parakeet Party here and offset it so that the white would stand out against the back here. I did use Wink of Stella on the balloon, which I don't think you're going to be able to see. Boy, that's really glary. That's worse. Now, let's see if it'll, there you can see a little sparkle. My Wink of Stella, I have two. One says oldest, and this is the newer one. However, both of them I have added alcohol to, which you can do, and they last a lot longer. However, it also makes them a little more liquidy, and you have to really dab them off first before you use them, otherwise you get Wink of Stella everywhere. Anyway, I used petal pink on his belly, but then I covered it over with some gray, smoky slate, a little bit of petal pink on his nose and his ears, and I started to do his feet that way because, you know, the mice around my area, their tails, their little arms and legs would all be the pinkish color. This I stamped in Parakeet Party. I die cut it with that circle from the Beautiful Shapes dies. Yes. And then I just took the, a little bit sloppily, the brush end of the Tahitian Tide Stampin' Right marker and went around the edges. If you don't have that, just take and roll your circle on the ink pad, if you have the ink pad. And then the dots are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 Parakeet Party and 3 Tahitian Tide matte dots. And inside I just have the strip of paper and the white card, nothing written. And that is my second card. So a little bit different. I was getting tired of doing masculine cards, but I wanted to use this Home and Garden and not for Father's Day. So we used Home and Garden and Mischievous Mice and made 2 sweet birthday cards, one for a man and one for a sweet friend. I hope you enjoyed that. And again, if you're interested in any of these products, there's still a link down below. I'm keeping it active through the end of June. to go shop with me. However, like I said, if you want this particular set, it's a host only set and only good through the end of June. Alright guys, take care, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!